Grade 5 learners ready to present a poem entitled
Congratulations!
Entitled
Congratulations!
Yes, congratulations. Sit back, relax, watch your time and enjoy yourself. Don't forget to put a banana smile. Welcome.
A banana smile, can you put it?
Congratulations on your success. You worked as hard as an ant to reach this goal. You wake up as early as a bird every day, even when you did not feel like it. We are so happy to share in your joy. Congratulations on your graduation and best wishes for your future. It seems just like yesterday. You were a kid starting school. Now you are all grown up and you have received your degree. It has been a joy watching you grow and achieve so much in a few years. We have to know how proud of you we are and how much we love you. Thank you.
Haya.